So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you all how to use Photoshop to create images and graphics to use in Dreamweaver's rollover image navigational bar aspect. What you'll do, what you need to do first, is create a minimum of 2 images in Photoshop to put into your Dreamweaver rollover image. Now what I have done already, I've created a home, I've created a little button of sorts that will be my home button. And what I want to happen is I want the black home to turn red when the user mouses over it. Now in order to do this, I'll have to save this out as home, as home out. The out state means the mouse is out of the area of the home button. So I'll go ahead and save this out as home, and you can save it out as whatever you want. If you type portfolio, resume, contact, links, blog, whatever you want, that's what you can do. But I have already got it saved as out, so I'll click that and I'll make it a ping and save it. And yes, I will replace. And now what I need to do is I need to make an over state of this button. The over state of this button will be when the user's mouse is over it. Now what I want to happen when the user's mouse goes over the home button is I want it to turn red. So I'll change the color to red. Simple as that. And then I will save it out as home over, so I don't get confused when I'm going through and putting them into Dreamweaver. So we have it as home over and home out, and I will replace. And now I want to tell you all that you all can do this with any word you want. It doesn't have to say home, doesn't have to look like this, doesn't have to be this size, but the out image and the over image must be the exact same size in order for this transition to work smoothly and properly and look good. Now, because Dreamweaver has this funny little thing that it likes to do, if one of your images is bigger than the other, then one will be scaled to fit inside of the other. So one will end up being distorted if the over image and the out image aren't the exact same size. So I've made sure that mine are, and now what you'll do is you'll open your Dreamweaver HTML file, and I've called it test, and you just go to insert, image objects, rollover image, and I'll call it home, and your original image is going to be your out image, which is this. So you choose it, and your rollover image is obviously going to be your over image, so you check it, and then you hit OK, and Dreamweaver automatically inserts it. And I will save with Command S on the Mac, and then I will preview it in the browser, and when I mouse over it, it should turn red, and it does. And that is basically all you need to make a basic rollover navigation bar. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show you all how to use graphics, such as the glossy glass buttons in one of my other tutorials. Just change the shade, change the tint, and I'll show you how to use the graphics to make rollover buttons inside of Dreamweaver in the next video. So check back soon.